Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this latest Fish It update, there's a new feature that lets you move between islands easily without crossing the oceans. But before using this feature, make sure the fish index on the island that you want to visit is already 100% complete. Like this, just go to settings and then just open home island. Just tap on open like this. Make sure the index is 100%. And don't worry, the index doesn't count secret fish, so you don't need to wait until you catch them. And then if you don't know the easiest trick to complete the island index, just check the link in the description to watch the full tutorial. Now here's how to use the Home's Island feature. First, just tap on settings like before, and then just choose open on the Home Island options. And then next, just select the island that you want to go to. For example, I want to go Twitter room, and now I'm on the sacred temple, and I want to go to Twitter room. But make sure the index is already at 100%. And after that, just tap on the Roblox icon, this one, and then just tap on respawn, and then just tap on reset, like this. And like this, your character will automatically move to the selected island like this. It's super fast, super easy, and you need to try this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.